Hello, I am Jonathan Crook, Print Technical Consultant for HP. In this training video, I will quickly show you how to use job storage in the FeatureSmart 4 or 5 firmware platform on our enterprise class devices. Depending on your model and firmware level, some features or buttons may not be available. Today I am using an enterprise class 6 series device with flow features. Job storage allows you to print or scan hard copies to the hard drive of the machine for later printing. It will also store options that you select during this process, which could include double-sided, color black and white, or any finishing that you have available. Another term you may have heard is secure print, and this functions in the same way as job storage allows you to store the job with PIN codes or passwords. To print a job to job storage, you're going to first go to File Print, select a printer, go to Printer Properties. There's a Job Storage tab here, and there's a mode. Depending on which mode you select, the description will tell you what you're going to get. But more than likely, you're going to use Personal Job, as it will store it under the name of the computer you're printing from. To secure it, click on this dropdown and you can choose between a PIN code or a password. In this instance, we're going to use a PIN code. Once I'm done, I click OK. I click Print, and I will get a prompt right here showing me that the job has been successfully stored at the device. To scan a hard copy job into job storage, you're going to go to Scan, Scan to Job Storage, click on Folder, and you can see here I have Crook from the print job I just did. I also created a folder called Crook Scanned. You can create your own custom folder to file away your documents by using the little square icon in the bottom center of the screen. Give the job a name, and you can see to the right of the name there's a little padlock. When you click on that padlock, it allows you to actually PIN code and secure this job you're scanning from the hard drive to the hard drive as well. Under Options, you'll see all the options available to you. Like I talked about earlier, when you scan this document, it will store these for when you're printing out the document later. Once you've selected all your options, click Save, and the document will be successfully scanned to the hard drive for later printing. To print from the job storage, you're going to look for the print icon and then print from job storage. When you go to print from job storage, you're going to see those same folders I just showed you a second ago. When I click on the printed jobs, Crook, it's going to say that I have private jobs here. I have 5 of them. When I click on those private jobs, it's going to ask me for that password or PIN code. When I enter that PIN code and I hit OK, it's going to unlock the jobs that had that PIN code as an option. If you notice, I still have one job that's considered locked, and that's because I used a different PIN code. You have the ability when printing or scanning to job storage of changing that password or PIN code just to ensure you're not unlocking everything that you want at once. Once you've unlocked your documents, you can select one or multiples, and then when you're ready, all you need to do is hit print, and the document will start printing your documents from job storage. I hope this has been informative for you. Have a great day.